prints was made on hemp paper. Thomas Jefferson at Hemp Fields. Let me tell you all the things organically grown hemp yields. Jack Herring tried to tell us the news.
So let's go into the office.
To improve our food, build homes in the future made straight from hemp. No heat, build costs.
So this is. Hey, can I ask you why did you put make your walls so high here?
Well,
as opposed to kind of being able to walk up and just kind of look down like a mezzanine style.
yeah, well, we wanted a little bit of privacy, but we didn't want a ceiling so that we would still get heat from the house. So that's kind of why we chose to do that. And this is the Starseed Creative International Headquarters. This is where all the magic happens.
Oh.
Yeah, in here. So we wanted to be kind of a fun, creative space. That's why we kept with the circles and the walls and stuff. And then we have this window that goes down to the kitchen. So if I'm designing up here, I can kneel down and Stella can hoist me up some brownies or something. Yeah, we're not totally sure what we're going to do with that window, but we might just have shutters or something like that. Keep it fun.
Hey, this house exudes fun.
I hope so.
This is freaking awesome.
Yeah.
I'm loving it. Whoa. Okay, let's see the rest of the house. Mate.
Okay.
So Neil, you've got these circles here.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Are you going to put some glass in here, or?
Yeah, we want to put some maybe openable windows in there, or different colored, maybe. I lost it.
Maybe some stained glass.
Yeah, some stained glass would be great.
Circle windows in there would be great. And I think we talked earlier about how you put them in there. If there's any shrinkage or
I was asking.
contraction.
Yeah, I was wondering if there's any.
What we've used a lot is plumber's tape.
Okay.
You know, like the plumber's hemp.
Yes.
Right. So you can use that as a caulking around there.
And I don't have to worry about the glass cracking.
You don't have to worry about the glass cracking.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about expansion, contraction in there.
That's great, because with this wall we did add sand to it to the hempcrete to create more thermal mass.
And more tensility too.
Yes, it is stronger, and it was actually easier to apply with the sand in it.
Of course. Yeah.
And you could compact it more. So that's what we were going for with the interior walls, was more of the thermal mass that we could compact.
Now you're going to be putting a clay plaster over here?
Yep, all the interior hempcrete gets
and on the other
clay,
side too, right?
clay finish, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Because that clay actually over this lath will help keep it between these 2x4s.
Right. Well, the reason why we used the lath was so that because the wood and the hempcrete are dissimilar materials, right? We didn't want it to be cracking. Right. So and instead of just doing strips, we decided to just put it across the whole thing because the studs are so close together.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, that actually makes logical sense.
Yeah, and it'll help hold everything together.
It will hold. That tack down will hold everything from moving, because if you didn't have if the hemp's not wrapped around the studs, right, that has a tendency to move.
Right.
Because as it dries out a little bit, you get about 2-3% shrinkage out of there. It's enough for it to get a little bit loose in there. So having the lath over there and plastering over that is going to lock it down.
We also put some furring strips on either side of the studs, and then we ran bamboo through every course.
You see, we can't see that. I'm glad you mentioned that.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm thinking I
to give it. No, you can't push it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you see, that's practical, and people like to know that sort of stuff.
Yeah. So that came from what they use with Lystra clay. With a course I took from there. So that's what they do with Lystra clay. So I just decided to use it for hempcrete.
And you've used bamboo.
Yeah, we use bamboo.